DJM TV.
Governor Obaseki don yarn say Edo 2020 go begin for April 2 for inside 2021. Sabi country people, how the day dey go for una side now? Una good morning, una good afternoon, una good evening sake of the time when e be say the time be now for una side. On top the time when be say una take dey look us on top our day-to-day tori informate yarns on top our correct TV station wey be DJM TV. My name na Stanley Okocha, una sabi country brother. Na me wan yarn na the tori informate when e be say e don shele on top this time for inside Nigeria. The governor of Edo State, when him name be Mr. Godwin Obaseki, don confirm say the Edo 2020 National Sports Festival go shele from April 2 go reach April 14 for inside this year wey be 2021. The governor yarn this one when him dey do meet with the Minister for Youth and Sport matter when him name be Mr. Sunday Dare, sake of say the oga for youth and sport matter do one waka met enter Edo State sake of say dem wan do better arrange plan to take do the National Sport Festival for inside Edo State. When dem knack say the name go be Edo 2020. The National Sports Festival don suffer many carry forward since March last year when be 2020 sake of the coronavirus wahala when e be say e be wan come catalyze the National Sports Festival. As him dey welcome the sport oga for inside government house when e dey gidigba for inside Benin City when be the capital of Edo State, Governor Obaseki come hail the mind when Oga Presido Muhammadu Buhari get for the sport inside Nigeria sake of the supportation when e be say him give to Edo State to take get the power to take do the National Sports Festival for inside the state. Mr. Godwin Obaseki come still take the oga for sport matter for inside Nigeria to do some waka to all the places when be say they dey inside the state where dem go do all the sport things when concern the sports festival, especially the Samuel Ogbamudia Stadium. The governor come here and say Edo State don ready gidigba to take do the sport tournament. He come here and join say the carry forward when e be say the sports festival suffer na one big gbese when e be say e affect the state sake of say all the things and pogiri when e be say the state government be don put together for inside the preparation of the for inside the state. He come here and join say the pogiri when e be say dem use take preparation for the tournament last year wey be 2020 say sake of say dem no come fit do at that time, e really touch the bank hazard of the state. For the governor mouth to do all the game na correct thing wey be say we need to do even with the COVID-19 gbege. Our spirit still dey high. The whole world go for the Olympic tournament when e be say go shele for inside Tokyo and e go dey gbangba make we join for inside the Tokyo Olympics. The COVID-19 wahala no go fit knack us for ground. The informate when e dey for ground now show say we dey win the battle when e be say the COVID-19 be carry come. We go work with you to make sure say we do the festival. We go openate the camp for all the games. Even though e be say the pogri when we be say we don dey put for inside the festival don dey show our muscle for inside the state say e dey show red. For we side as the state, as we try get and put all the things when e be say we want for the games together, the thing can't really touch our pogiri when e be say e dey inside the state bank hazard well. We go welcome and take care of 10,000 sport people and their ogas for 10 days when the game go take the shele for inside we state. This na big pogiri na e go comot for our hand. Sake of this, we go tight our belt to make sure say we give the supportment to take welcome and keep all the sport people for all the time when e be say dem go take dey here. So na there na we dey beg for federal government of Nigeria to bring their own support before the tournament go come begin shele. We wan still use this opportunity take give big hope say the games go shele. I no get any reason to doubt the federal government of Nigeria since I know say the presido na one man when e be say if e yarn something e go do am as e yarn. we go start to dey prepare to do the tournament wella. I go still use this opportunity take thank the sport oga when him name be oga Sunday Dare for all the time when e be say e don take dey do wakamet take dey come with state sake of the time when e be say the push forward when we do since last year on top the game matter. Him never rest since that time sake of say from time to time na so e go waka come with state to come check how far we dey go, wetin be the plan when e dey ground, and how we wan take waka comot for the forward wey be say we dey carry the games enter. For him own side, the minister for youth and sport matter for inside naija wey im name be oga Sunday Dare come yarn say the federal government of naija don ready to support the Edo State government to take do the national sports festival. For oga Dare mouth, the federal government of naija don ready gidigba to take give the kpogiri supportment to take do the national sports festival when e be say e go shele for inside Edo State for April 2 go reach April 14 for inside this year wey be 2021. All the things when e be say we need to do, we don dey do them and they don dey go silly well, and sometimes e go take time, but na our hope and our mind to dey do check and make sure say everything dey go quick and fast. We dey sure well and we take the decision to work with the deputy governor when him name be comrade Philip Shuaibu when still be the oga for the local organisement committee to yarn with all the 30 state governor when dey inside naija and their commissioners for sport matter. Say na April 2 we go openate the camp for the festival, and na April 6 the game go come start wella. We go still dey do work with the presidential task force on top the COVID-19, the Niger Center for Disease Control wey be NCDC, and all the other people wey be say they get hand for inside sport matter for inside the country to make sure say dem do their supportation for vaccinate matter. We don do promise for all the people when e be say dem dey do sport for inside naija, say we go vaccination all of them, and that one na wetin we must do before they enter inside the camp when e be say we dey preparation for them. The governor and the oga for sport matter on top naija come still do some wakamet go the different place when e be say all the sports go dey shele for inside the state, especially the Samuel Ogbamudia Stadium when e be say be the main place wey be say many of the sport game go dey shele to take do correct check to make sure say every when the be say the sport people and their ogas go dey use dem go dey correct and kpangba as they suppose to be. And the oga for sport matter wey im name be Mr. Sunday Dare come here say everything dey kpangba and kampe. As the oga for sport matter yarn with him own mouth, everything don ready gidigba. Na for the day to come na come remain, make it be say we go all come together for inside the places wey be say the sport games want to dey shele, and we go come dey see wetin we don dey plan for since last year when e be say COVID-19 be wan scatterize. E come yarn say especially the Samuel Ogbamudia Stadium, the stadium don raise the baba wey be say e dey for developmentation or inside sport matter for inside all the states when e be say e dey for inside naija. For im mouth again, I hail Gov Obaseki for the correct work when e be say e don do for inside the stadium. With wetin my eyes see, so e show say yes, Edo State don raise bar when e be say every other state go come dey copy from. This one show say the governor na person wey e be say e no dey use sport matter dey play at all. For this reason, hope dey say yes, everything don dey clear for the national sports festival wey be Edo 2020 to start. Country people, una go remember say this Edo 2020 suppose shele last year wey be 2020, but sake of the COVID-19 when e come na im come scatterize the plan when e be say the federal government of naija and even the Edo State government be don arrange down for am to start. Country people, na here our tori for this time for break leg. We wan thank una on top the time when e be say una don take dey look us since. We wan still beg una make una like, make una share, and make una comment on top this matter when we carry come give una so for inside our comment box when e dey under the tori video when you just watch now. We wan see beg una say make una subscribe if una never see subscribe on top the time when business don take dey look us since, and make sure say una put hand for the notification bell so that anytime we knack hot story come out like this, una go always dey get the tori update. Until next time when e be say we go still come una way with hot ogbonge tori wey go don share at that time, my name na still Stanley Okocha for DJM TV News. I greet una well done.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
Fulani people don't say no, they don't like it. Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
Some of the delegates and ask the question.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJ